is it safe to run wheel spacers with different size?
BONOSS is always concerned about the safety. They use forged aluminum alloy 6061T6 material, modern CNC machine by 0.02mm tolerance. The multi-stage hub-centric design fits a wheel hub better.
With these spacers on, then the wheels are much flush with the fender.
So that's all for today's video. Which size would you like to choose for these wheel spacers? See you in the next video. Bye bye.